As a chef, continuous learning is paramount to refining your craft and advancing your career. Here are 5 key things you can do to acquire more knowledge and skills, along with 2 significant benefits of this ongoing professional development. 5 ways to acquire more knowledge and skills. 1. Embrace continuous education. The culinary world is always evolving, so it's crucial to stay informed about new trends, techniques, and dietary needs. You can achieve this by enrolling in workshops, attending culinary events, or taking online courses. These opportunities can cover a wide range of topics, including food hygiene, allergen awareness, and advanced cooking methods. 2. Practice and experiment consistently. Regular practice is one of the most effective ways to enhance your cooking abilities. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone by trying new recipes and mastering fundamental techniques. Cooking for yourself, without the pressure of paying customers, can be a great time for growth and to explore what might have gone wrong with a new recipe. 3. Engage with the culinary community. Joining professional organizations for chefs can be an excellent way to stay current with modern food trends. These groups often provide networking opportunities, connecting you with fellow chefs who can offer valuable insights and resources. Shadowing other chefs in their kitchens is another effective way to observe new cooking methods and kitchen workflows. 4. Expand your culinary horizons. Exploring different cuisines and cultures can significantly broaden your skills and creativity. Borrowing ideas from Italian, French, Japanese, Indian, Thai, and other global cuisines can enrich your flavor profiles and techniques. Understanding the science behind cooking, such as the Maillard reaction, can also elevate your dishes. 5. Seek feedback and cook with others. Actively seek feedback on your dishes to understand areas for improvement. Cooking with others and for groups can also be a powerful learning experience. Pay close attention to the details, from reading a recipe thoroughly before you begin to using quality ingredients and tools. 2 benefits of acquiring more knowledge and skills. 1. Enhance creativity and career advancement. Continuously learning and mastering new skills can lead to significant career advancement. It demonstrates a commitment to your craft, making you more valuable to your current employer and more attractive to future opportunities. This dedication can also boost your confidence and prepare you for leadership roles. 2. Increased adaptability and relevance. The culinary landscape is constantly changing with new dietary trends and preferences. By staying informed, you can adapt your menus to cater to a wider range of guests, including those with plant-based, gluten-free, or other specific dietary needs. This commitment to lifelong learning is essential to remain relevant and skilled in a competitive profession. Subscribe.